Hello there, I'm Dave from Dynobike, and today we have an Aprilia Tuareg 660 here to tune and de-restrict, because this one is a lambs version. So we've actually just finished doing this one, but what I'd like to talk to you about is obviously power curve, how that compares with a HO model, and of course what you need to do to de-restrict your Tuareg 660. So first of all, power. Stock power on the lambs version is about 42 horsepower. Now that we've de-restricted it, I can confirm that it is up around 72 horsepower, so it's quite a jump. Bear in mind we've also made a tune for this bike as well, so if all you're doing is removing the restriction, you probably won't get 72 horsepower. It's probably going to be high 60s or maybe 70 if you're lucky. Now this one also has the stock exhaust on it, so it is stock standard, de-restricted with our tune. We've also fitted a DNA air filter to it. 72 horsepower. How does that compare with the HO version? We've only done two HO versions. They've both come to us with exhaust systems already fitted, so haven't got a super accurate comparison to make on that, but I'll be pretty confident that they are exactly the same engine wise, and the lambs de-restricted compared to the HO with a stock exhaust on both bikes. I'm pretty confident they will both be the same power curve of around about 70 horsepower. So for those of you out there that are looking and considering this model, that's a pretty good comparison to have at your disposal. Now, how do we go about removing the restrictions on this bike? There's only two ways. You can bring us the bike and we'll remove the restriction and load our tune into it. Of course, if you want a custom dyno tune, we can do a custom dyno tune on it as well. But I have to say it's probably not necessary, and it will cost you twice as much money for the custom dyno tune as opposed to our virtual tune, I like to call it. The virtual tune is not something that we have bought overseas from some unknown source. We've put it onto our dyno with the bike, analysed everything, and developed a tune that we know will work on this model bike here in Australia. So rest assured, there's not going to be very much difference between the custom tune and our virtual tune, and in fact for an extra $500 for a custom tune, you're not really getting value for money in my opinion. Anyway, the choice is yours, we can do either. So that's option one, bring us the bike, custom tune, or we write the tune file. Alternatively, you can buy what's called a Powergate tuner. Comes in a little box like that. Just zoom in a little closer for you so you can see that. Okay, Powergate tuner. The unit itself is that size, small and compact. It has a touch screen on it, so you just have to plug it into the system on the bike, follow the prompts and load your tunes onto it. In this case, this particular model bike has what's called a Euro 5 plug. Okay, this all comes with the unit, by the way, so it's just a matter of plugging it in there on the unit, and you'll find the diagnostic port on these bikes is underneath the seat. There's a little red plug which you can't see from here. I'll take a photo of it so you can see it. There's a plug there which is sitting beside the battery, which this end plugs into there like that. Okay, you're connected, and then this one's not configured, so I won't turn the ignition on, but then you just turn the ignition on, let the unit power up, and then you can follow the prompts to load your tunes onto it accordingly. Now the other really nice thing about the Powergate tuner that people don't realise is that when we sell these units, we provide you with two tunes. Okay, in this case maybe just a de-restricted file and then a tune to go with the de-restricted file. If it's got a full system on it already, then we might provide a tune that's got a configured file for your exhaust system, and then maybe one that's leans towards being a little bit more economical for those long trips. Some of that, of course, within reason, is up to you. You just tell us what you would like and we will provide it for you within reason. So you get 2 tunes anyway, and then you also get the original ECU file as well. So if for whatever reason you want to go back to the LAMS format, perhaps you want to go to a dealer to get a warranty issue fixed or service, or maybe you maybe you're selling the bike and you're selling it at a LAMS bike, you've also got the stock file in there that you can load onto the bike at any given time. It's all there for you at your fingertips. So another little point that just popped into my head, bear in mind the Powergate also suits the RS 660 and the Tuareg 660 as well. So if you've got any of those bikes, the Powergate will work and provide you with the flexibility to load whichever tune onto it you wish. And we have got tunes here for all of those model bikes as well. If you want to purchase it or you want some more information, there's a link just down below this video that'll take you straight to our website. You can see the unit for yourself and even purchase it. At the moment, the Powergates are on special. They are normally $520. We've got them on special at $295 plus the price of your tune, which is $595. So for around just under $900, $890 to be exact, you can purchase the Powergate and the tune. We'll ship it to you and then you are ready to go. That's about it for me. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave from Dynobike.